Eating a shot made with yogurt, mint, cucumber, and walnuts can provide numerous health benefits. Let's start with yogurt, which is packed with probiotics, the good bacteria that are essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Probiotics also help to boost the immune system and improve digestion. Additionally, yogurt is a great source of calcium and protein, which are important for maintaining healthy bones and muscles. Moving on to mint. This herb is known for its refreshing taste and aroma, but it also offers a range of health benefits. Mint contains antioxidants that help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help to soothe digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion. Cucumbers are another ingredient in this shot that offer a wealth of health benefits. They are low in calories and high in water content, making them an excellent choice for hydration. Cucumbers are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. Last but not least, walnuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They are also rich in antioxidants and have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Adding walnuts to this shot can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also providing a range of health benefits. Overall, this shot made with yogurt, mint, cucumber, and walnuts is a delicious and nutritious way to support your overall health and well-being. Whether you enjoy it as a midday snack or a post-workout pick-me-up, this shot is sure to leave you feeling energized and refreshed.